Okay, this is Colt. I think this is video 5. We've got it all tore down. So remember how I told you, you got to take those curtains off the edges here and then relieve the bottom. Those decorative curtains have to come off first, then the staples around the sides and the front, okay? Come right off. All right, so then it comes right out, just like that, okay? The foam stays behind, and it's just the hide that comes off. This is the back with the anchor, and then you have the main body, and then a gusset that goes around. That's it. 3 parts to this, 4 parts with the anchor to this seat, and then 2 curtains that cover up the sides of the chair, the working mechanisms. So that's it. And like I said, you know, as you go, make sure you get in the habit of, I just painted this table because I was doing white work. Whenever I do white work, I'll wipe it all down and I'll paint the whole thing again. Brand new fresh coat, and then get to it. But yeah, that's it. That's the tear down. Got a little paint on there, but all that comes right off with this Restore finish. It's not. I'm not sponsored or anything by these guys. I don't care. I ain't that cool yet. But from just, you know, rolling around the table, all that paint that got on there, little steel wool, little this comes right off. And yeah, so she's tore down, and you can see they got a, you'll go through and you'll steam your foam out. They got this locked down. I don't have to tear that up. I'll put a brand new piece of Decor on down, because as you can see, that's collapsed. You always want to, you know, hit your steamer on that. That'll just peel right off real nice and easy. And you know, keep that one intact. You can make a copy of it. But yeah, I'll put 1 inch, 1 inch. And that's it. So that's the tear down, okay? For the Lazy Boy. And like I said, of course, these front pieces, there's 3 pieces. And, you know, and then you got your skirt. You just got to just always remember that that front, off that second one, comes off from underneath and then goes around that little baby one, and then staples to the back, and then a curtain staples to that. So just be mindful of that, because you might get stumped. I remember when I first started a long time ago, it took me a minute to figure out that it was backwards. It flipped over. There was a, you know, curtain on the bottom. But yeah, so I won't go into this. This is, you know, if you can't staple a rectangle and do your relief cuts, well, come on. Come on now. But yeah, that's it. And like I said, this scratches from my paint, this stuff, this will come right off. I mean, I could show you real quick. All I do is I just take a little fine steel wool, dip some of it on there. See that? Comes right off. But this is what you do even if that wasn't the case. And this cleans up everything. He's got some paint on the side, and anyway, it cleans it up like it was brand new, you know. So this stuff's a lifesaver, you know. It's a little bonus that you want to do for him. You want to scrub the whole chair down, all the frames, especially if it's wood, you know. Just do it. I don't charge him extra for it. So that's the tear down of this particular chair. This chair was built in 2001. This is from the Berkline Corporation, Livingston, Tennessee. Yeah, Plant 5. But yeah, this is a 2001. Great chair. I hate to give it back, Russ. You ought to will it to me just out of the goodness of your heart, because you're a rich grain guy. Anyway, cool. Spit and Tax Upholstery. I'll be back with a pattern making. Yeah, let's just keep pushing. Okay, a bunch of little snippets like this. This is not even 5 minutes long. That's where it's at. Anything over that, I wind up losing people's attention. So I'll see you around like a donut.